Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of...
Good Monday morning. The sun is out. We are headed to Thrift. We already have
I got the seats down because I'm ready to load up. I'm putting some positive vibes out there. We're gonna find lots of good stuff.
Last week we only found that little piece that we made over. We are looking for things to like stencil.
Yeah.
Put new IOD on. So we are going to be looking for things that need paint because there's so many things I want to play with the new products. And still looking for a furniture piece because I'd like something a little bigger.
Yeah, that nightstand worked to get something in the space and to do the project so we could show you the fun new stencils, but also it's short. It's a short nightstand.
Yeah, so we're going to take you with us to the Deseret Industries thrift store. We're going to go to Goodwill and we'll see what we can find. I'm wearing my chicken socks from Jen from Rustic Rehabs today. We're like, 12 minutes late, but there's not a lot of people here, so I'm hoping that there's still some good junk to be had.
Yeah, that's usually the case here. This is the one in Riverton.
So people have asked us if I could also go to the yard, why Zeb has to go to it first. He could. Like, I could go out there, but this is just what we do. We're creatures of habit. We're Riverton. I'm gonna go down the dish aisle first because that's what I do. Riverton always has tons and tons of pretty dishes and they organize them by color, which makes my ADHD so much better because I can like see what they have. I usually like to go straight to the blue section. This is kind of my favorite. It's a pretty plate. Japan. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna see if they have any more of these. So just one lone plate. That's kind of weird that I only found one, but sometimes they get separated. I definitely like these pewter plates, like sandstone designs. $2. Oh, they're from Utah. This one's $5. I'm gonna grab them.
Oh, look, that clock is still there. No one got it. It's huge. Kind of like this rooster tray. Can go for a repaint on that. The price is right. Although, comment and let me know. I can't stand it when thrift stores put the tag right over the pretty stuff, like right on top of paintings. Like it'll be an oil painting, like an original oil painting, and they'll have their little sticker right on there. This is a fun tote. I think I can easily get off this. This is like all bent up. I think I can get that off pretty easy. $2? Yeah. Can't build it for $2.
Well, that's not hand turned. I'm always looking for like hand thrown pottery. Easter's coming, so I think I'm going to grab some baskets for my kids. Baskets are only like $1, and then if I decide not to keep them, I can just redonate them, and then I'm not wasting money buying expensive baskets or baskets that can't be used for something else. Definitely gonna pick up this little planter for $2. I like this lined basket. That's cute. $2. Oh, that's a good price.
Unless a frame is super amazing, I'm going to pass on it because we got a bunch of frames last week and I haven't done anything with them yet and they're starting to stack up again. But if it's a good one, I won't pass on it just because that's plastic. Oh no, that's wood. It's wood with plaster over it. Do I need it? That's a pretty cool frame. How much? $10? It's a weird shape for $10. I'm gonna skip it because I have to print something super custom for that. So these are some foam planters for $5. Do I need them for myself? They got a couple chips and dings and stuff missing, but I think if we painted them up, they could be cool at the shop. I don't know. I don't think they're flying off the shelf. No one's going to come grab those, so I'll run that by Jami because she's ultimately the one that like curates how the shop looks. I do a lot of building and moving of things, but it's her vision over there. Oh, look, another one of these carts. And this one's put together and it's heavier duty. This is more industrial. $5 for this one. I'm getting that.
Always looking for blankets. This is like a tie quilt. The colors are kind of fun. Let's see how much this is. It's only $5. That's definitely cute. It's not pieced or anything, but I'm gonna take it home. This is a gorgeous quilt. It's hand sewn It looks to be homemade. I'm not seeing any tags on it, and it's Christmas colors. $6. Definitely gonna grab this. Zeb passed up on this shelf. We actually have sold, I think, every one that we have in this style. So I'm gonna grab this. It's a nice long one for $4. So I just found these. It's a toilet paper holder and a towel holder, and I think these would be so cute in the cottage. So I'm gonna grab them. So they just brought out a new cart. I couldn't film because you gotta all hands on deck. Oh, it is Franciscan ware. I pulled this, I wasn't sure, $2 for this teapot. Really good condition. And then this little stainless steel, it's actually made in Japan. Just thought that was cute. And I have no idea what this is, but had to buy it. Maybe it's a spice grinder. Cute little creamer dish. And then a sugar dish missing the lid, but this is perfect to plant a little succulent in. So for 75 cents each, I'm gonna pick these up.
Look at that hurricane lamp. Is this wood? Is that lamp even go with it? Yeah, it looks like. Well, it's metal. It's metal and they screwed it together. I kind of want it without the globe. It's only $5. I found this metal hose hanger for, I think it was, where's the price? I think I saw it for $5, something like that on there, which is cheap because they're like 30 or 40 down at the hardware store for metal ones. And it is that time of year. I got to do something with the hose in the chicken coop, and I think that'll be perfect. So that's kind of like a fun waterfall dresser. I actually like the hardware on it quite a bit for $50. It looks like it might need some work on the drawers though. They're all kind of sticking. Oh, someone filled those. I don't know why they would have filled those. It's missing 2 knobs on the bottom. Who knew Reese's made so many mugs and different styles of cups? I've seen so many in the last probably like 8 months. I picked up those first couple of ones, but I've seen them several times since. Just scored these red pillows off of a cart. I think they're gonna need a little scrub. They got some wear on the corners, but $3 each is worth it. This is an example of one of those pieces that I like the knob and the back plate on that. For $1, I might just get it for the hardware.
So I'm gonna grab these cute little bunnies for the kids' Easter baskets too. Look at them. Look at these ones with the big floppy ears. And Harrington is coming, so I need a few extra bunnies, but I'm excited. And they're only 75 cents each, so those will look cute in their baskets. First load going in. We were here late, like we said, but almost 2 carts full. I'm pretty excited about that. How much did we spend?
$70.
$70. That is not bad at all. And some of the stuff we got was like baskets for Easter, little Easter bunnies for my kids that I'll wash up. And then I'll either redonate the baskets or we'll put them in the shop because they're all pretty cute. I did put a few baskets back, so I'm still gonna be looking for more baskets, but I'm pretty excited. I love this. Like, that's a really cool organizer. The last one we got, we sold in the shop. Actually, Maria bought it. She works for us. She was like, I am gonna use my employee discount on that. It is $9.59, so we're just gonna go to Goodwill first. There's a line. There's like 4 or 5 people waiting, which is surprising. Normally there's not that many, so interesting, but we'll see if they've got anything good today. You know it's warm because Zeb's got his shorts on. Open the doors. The cart's not wanting to stay open. First things first, You Are My Sunshine, $3.99. Oh, that's kind of spendy, but I think it's still worth it. That's cute. This pheasant platter is really interesting to me. I've never seen anything like it. $3.99, I'm definitely gonna pick it up. Looks like there's another cute spring floral platter. No markings, only $2.99. It's interesting to me that this and that are $2 and $3 and they're antiques. And then the Ray Dunn mug, also $3.
Looks like they have restocked the tops here. The bells are still selling. They're probably selling down some, but not fast. Lots of collectibles today. I've got my eye on this little metal clock here. Oh, it's plastic. Okay. We're gonna leave it here for $3. I wonder why that hole is in there. What is that for? Is it just for looks, a style? Oh look, this was $1.50 at the DI thrift store, $2.99 at the Goodwill. Looks like this is coming apart, but is it tight? I'm tempted. We need lots of stuff to paint, and I kind of like the shape of it.
Here's a really cool mold. Looks like maybe something that somebody made somewhere, like hand painted. But it's cute. It's only $2.99. This isn't old, but it's only $2.99. I think it's cute. I love that scalloped edge. This is only $2.99. That's really cute.
Little crafty bag on the bag wall. Look at all those spools of yarn. I think that'd be cool just for display. There's a few bags with yarn and things in them. So this is Pampered Chef. I'm pretty sure it's for shave ice. I think. I'm gonna grab it.
This is really cool. It's like a rocking chair cast iron. Probably would fit American Girl dolls. $3.99. I'm gonna grab this. Definitely picking this up for $2.99. You could do a lot of fun things with it. IOD, you could do some of the new stencils. I actually think this planter is cute. I don't like the feet, so Zeb can chop those off. And I bought some plants. I don't know if it's too skinny on top though. Maybe I'll leave that. I'm looking for planters because I bought some plants because Aya and I are gonna be trying to propagate them and see if we can get more plants. So fun little shop project, you know? This is only $2.99, definitely perfect for new IOD, so gotta grab that. Oh, $12.99. A nice cedar chest here. It needs a paint job because it's got veneer damage and a burn. Oh, it's got some good damage on the side. But I think that'll fit in the car. What do you think, Zeb? We could put stuff inside of it, although we didn't sell the last chest, so maybe we should pass.
Yeah, it's still
Wait till that one sells. So how much did we spend without Jack's tea? How much did we spend there?
Jack's tea was $10, so that would put us at $44 per product.
Oh, okay. See, that's the thing. Like $44, 2 bags, $70, all of this. So Desert Industries is definitely cheaper, but Goodwill is worth going to because they have different stuff. And if I can make a profit, I don't mind spending a little more. Last thrift store, we're going to be at Desert Industries thrift store to see what they've got. We've done pretty good, so I'm okay no matter what we find.
Yeah, the back of the trunk is starting to get pretty full after 2 thrift stores, so this should really round it up. And then when we go to the bins on Thursday, that'll really fill it out.
The Goodwill bins always fills in those gaps. So they've been open about an hour and 20, so we'll see what's left here. So I picked this up off the cart, $2, nice heavy glass. Also see, this is really cute. I think with a paint job, that would be really good. So I'm gonna grab this Mother and Jesus here. Look how cute this clock is. $1, I'm gonna pick this up. This is interesting. It's like a dog dish or something. It's like stoneware, $3. Maybe somebody put a plant in it. I'm gonna grab it.
Off to the yard again. This yard has been making me sad. It's pretty loaded with furniture and things, but hasn't had some of the things I've been looking for the last 4 or 5 times we've been out here. Oh, look at that. So it looks like that's $2. It is missing its back, but I'm all right with that. This little box clock is $3. Let's open her up. Little hidey place for your snacks, as Jami would say. She likes to put her treats in there. And then there's another one right here. Metal standing clock with 2 legs. I like that one too. That price though, not loving that price for what this is. Gonna leave that one there. If it was $3 or $4, I'd get it all day long. Oh my goodness, what is this? I know winter's mostly over here. The ice runner. $15. Yeah, you're gonna get that.
I also love this ring holder, although it looks like it's more modern, so I think I'm gonna leave that there. This looks like a Pampered Chef loaf pin. Oh, it's not. Home and garden party, $1. I don't know if this one sells as well, so we'll leave that here. Pampered Chef always does really good for me. Still looking for more Easter baskets, so I'm gonna pick this one up. That's cute. Is this a Pampered Chef bun pan? Family, oh, that's a big one for $4. It's in good shape. It hasn't been used much because it's super clean. I also like this for an Easter. Oh, they've got foam. I don't want to deal with that. Let's see what else I can find. This one is cute. Looks like they might have planted it, but I could just take the liner out. That's a cute basket. Oh, this looks like it might be a winner. I'm gonna grab that. It's false graph. It was kind of placed precariously, but it's oven safe. It's only $3. No chips. You know I love Gottinger silver. I'm gonna grab this for $1.
So coming to the yard today paid off. Got 3 things that I like a lot. Oh, and a jar lifter. This stool is kind of fun too. How much is it? $5. Yep.
Definitely grabbing this picture frame. I'd grab that one, but it's missing a piece, so it might look weird painted, but for $2, that's a good deal. What is this? What do I spy with my little eye? That is a pretty picture frame. $3. And somebody already painted it. I feel like this was waiting for us. It says Ray.
What?
I know, it's only $2. Like, I will take you home.
Yeah.
We're at about 160s, and we spent 57, but 15 was that really awesome sled for the kids.
$25 of stuff for the kids out of all that, so.
Yeah, I don't feel bad about that. People sometimes ask us if our kids mind getting stuff thrifted. My kids love it.
This is brand new. It still has the sticker on it.
Yeah, our kids are super excited. They actually love to thrift with us. They love it when we go to the bins because you never know what you're gonna find, and it's always really cheap, so we'll buy anything we think they'll like. And then that just leaves more money for other stuff like snacks. All right, last item. We are done. Like we could fit some more stuff in, but I'm gonna call it good.
Yeah, we could probably rearrange, but let's just go home. I put the seat down in hopes of filling up the back, and we got it done.
Yeah, we didn't find any large furniture. We actually do have some in the barn, so we could do a little repair there. But lots of goodness. We will show you at the end of this video a slow-mo pan, so don't miss out. If you want to purchase anything, these will all be available Saturday at 8:30 Mountain Time. So set your calendars, make sure to hit follow. And if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY
and thrifting. We'll see you on the next episode.
I can touch a stream